Hello out there. Today we would like to introduce the Hikvision underwater camera. It is available on livespotting.com and is used by us for streaming from aquariums and diving pools. The camera is designed for use up to 50 meters water depth and has the degree of protection IP68. It comes in a stainless steel housing and is suitable for salt and fresh water. Also supplied is a stainless steel bracket on which the camera can be aligned. The supplied very stable network cable is 50 meters long. The camera can be powered via power over Ethernet. The network camera is with 7 kilos surprisingly heavy, very compact and fits into every larger aquarium. You can find the exact technical information in the datasheet of the manufacturer. Link is in the video description. I will now show you the graphical user interface. Unfortunately, the user interface only works completely under Windows. Since we only use Linux and Mac OS at livespotting.com, the cam runs in a virtual machine on Windows 10, therefore is not as performant as on a pure Windows system. Okay, here we go. Now we jump into the graphical user interface of the camera. Before logging in, you can choose the language. There are some languages available. I will set it to English now. See here the languages. Set it to English, log in, zack. And here we go. The operation of the camera is basically similar to all other Hikvision cameras. As a user, you will find your way around very quickly. I show you some settings in fast mode. If you are interested in any of the points, stop the video or slow down the speed. It starts at live view. You can switch here the channels and the resolution. And on the right side, you will find basic functions of the camera can be opened. PTZ functions are not active because the camera is static. So let's go on. Playback in picture. Because we don't have a memory card in the camera, I can show anything. Basically, the stored videos and pictures are administrated here. So let's switch to the configuration. Let's start at local. This is the main area of the camera subdivided into configuration of the local view. You can set it here up. System with the known maintenances, areas for booting and updating the firmware. Security user management of the system. We have the network basic settings as known, advanced settings, video and audio settings. Switch to video first. Here we have the settings to control the 3 streams. We have the possibility to configure the resolution of 3 channels, main, sub and third stream. Resolution, bitrate, it's now on constant. Let's switch to variable. See here the different profiles, frame rate, bit rates, video encoding. The camera can support H.264 and H.265. Three simultaneous streaming profiles are supported. It's a basic, main and high profile, and the iframe can be controlled here. At this link we have the image display settings. Let's switch quick here, image adjustment, exposure settings, let's see the exposure time, day-night switch, backlight settings, white balance, image enhancement, and the video adjustment. The points, event and storage are actually self-explanatory. Special mention should be made of the white light in the camera. It's really very strong and very bright. There's the possibility to dim it down a bit. Further on you can set here. Further on you can set your own schedule on the light. In aquariums you have the possibility to turn on the light for the public a few hours after the end of the day, before you can send the animals to sleep. Great function. You can find the link on another video in the video description, or in the video we demonstrate the function. The video switched on in complete darkness and in weak daylight with the white light. Yeah. So, thank you very much for your attention. If you like the video, give us a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, or become a fan in our social media channels. Feels good to be loved, as you know. All camera installers and Hikvision partners can participate in our partner program and use our streaming services and web service for their customers. For more information, visit our website on livespotting.com. And don't forget, kids, live spotting is made for life. Thanks to the Aquarium Borkum for the great cooperation.